Have you ever noticed that Facebook's default video quality can sometimes be disappointing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the default video quality on Facebook using your PC with the new update. So let's dive in. First things first, open your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. Next, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to your main settings page. Now scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Within Preferences, locate and click on the option labeled Media. Within the Media settings, look for the option that says Video Default Quality. Beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Off. This action will disable the default video quality setting on your Facebook account. By turning off the default video quality, you are now in control of the video resolution when you watch videos on Facebook. This means you can manually adjust the quality based on your preferences and internet connection speed. So, the next time you watch a video on Facebook, you can set the video quality to suit your viewing experience without being limited by the default settings. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.